Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and it's going to be a Christmas centerpiece. Now this centerpiece is going to be pretty big. It's going to go in the middle of my table and I cannot wait to make it, you guys. As soon as I knew what I wanted, I knew the centerpiece was going to be everything and then some. So let's get started. You need a vase. Now you can pick it up at your Dollar Tree. You can get a vase you have around your house, reuse, recycle, you know how I am. So I already had this vase. So this is the vase that I will be using. Now I picked up some mini ornaments on the Dollar Tree, as you can guys tell from all my hauls and videos. So go ahead and pick up your favorite ornaments. I used the mini size because I thought it would be cuter, but of course you use more of those. So it's up to you. You could use any size you want. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this toilet paper holder and I'm gonna just go ahead and grab a red tissue and go around the whole thing because I do not want to waste a lot of ornaments. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the middle just so I won't have to use too many ornaments. And this saves a lot of time and money. Now you can go ahead and not put it in there if you want to. It's really up to you. I did it just to save some money. And you got to save. It's the holidays. So go ahead and put it in the middle. Hold it down and start adding your mini ornaments. Now make sure when you start adding them that you take off the little tab on there because I really don't like it. So go ahead and take up all the tabs on there and then just add them in slowly. Make sure nothing moves and just go ahead and add them all in. Now you could pick up any color you want. I have a ton of videos on the Dollar Tree so you can see what kind of ornaments and colors they have. And I also have a Walmart video as well if you want to check that out, just to get ideas of what you need and what color you would love to use this year. This year I'm gonna use my red theme, so I'm really excited to start with the holidays, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want. I'll have pictures up there. It's DIY with Susie. The link will be down below as always. And yeah, let's fill up this beautiful vase. Now don't be scared. Just fill it up all the way to the top of the tube. As long as you cover it and it doesn't show, you'll be fine. I actually added, I want to say 5 of these cases from the Dollar Tree, and they come in a 16 piece. So go ahead and just measure your vase and just estimate how many you would really need. If it's better to have leftover than to be missing, let me tell you, when you make your DIYs and your centerpieces, it's just better that way. So just go ahead and move everything around and place it just how you would like it. Don't be scared to add, to take away, to move. It's your DIY at the end of the day. Nobody can tell you anything. It comes out just like you want it. If you don't like it, go ahead and redo the whole thing over. It's really up to you. I'm going to go ahead and just fill it up to the top and then save a couple of little ornaments in case I need them for later. Because I'm pretty much happy with the way it's coming out right now. So look at how cute it is. At the end of the day, all you can see are the ornaments. I went ahead and I mixed them. I grabbed some glitter, some solid, some shiny, and all I did was mix them in the bowl and then just put them in. So I'm going to push that to the side really quick so we could get started. I'm going to be using these adorable lollipops that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Go ahead and check out that video if you want to know. I have a video on everything, how much it costs, where I picked it up, and if I use the coupon. So go back to my DIY Christmas hauls and go check them out. But these lollipops are so adorable. I wish I would have got at least 2 more. I picked it up in the white, and I also went ahead and I picked it up in the red. But yeah, you guys, I should have picked up 2 more, but that's how it goes. So here's the red one, which I think the red one is more adorable. I don't know why, because of the glitter probably. But I'm going to be using these lollipops in the centerpiece because they are so cute. And then I'm going to be using this stem, which I picked up at Michael's, I think. Or was it Hobby Lobby? No, I think it was Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. It's in one of my videos, but this stem was so adorable. I wish I would have picked up 2 of them, and I only picked up 1, and I'm kind of regret it. But yeah, it is so cute and it goes perfect with my theme, my peppermint swirl, lollipop, red, Christmas, everything. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. They were $1. I used a 40% off coupon. They were like 80 cents. And these are adorable as a filler. I should have picked up 2 more, but you know, that's how it goes. But I'm just going to make it work with everything I have, like you should too. If you don't have, you can actually pick these up at the Dollar Tree. There's some there that are similar, so go ahead. Or they also have them at Walmart. So yeah, it's really up to you. What do you like? If it catches your eye, go ahead. If it doesn't, don't put it in. It's your DIY. Go crazy, you guys, and enjoy it. I picked this one up at the Dollar Tree, and this was actually 1 stem, and I ripped it up to 5 pieces. Is it 5 or 4? Or something like that. So yeah, I'm really happy. So I'm going to show you what I did to all the stems. Every stem, I actually grabbed some washi tape, and I took a skewer stick, and I put it together just to make it longer because my vase is pretty long. So all I did was grab some washi tape, you guys, and it sticks just like magic. And then add your skewer stick and keep going with the washi tape just so none of the green shows. You only want the red to show because that is, you know, my color. If your color is green, perfect. You don't even need that. It just depends on the color. So make sure when you grab your ornaments that you pick up some washi tape just to match your ornaments in case you do need it, you guys. It'll actually make the DIY look much prettier and fancier. But this step goes by pretty quick. That's all you really have to do is keep twisting it. If you miss a piece, that's fine too. Go ahead and just, you know, add more. Like I'm going to do right there. You see I missed the top. I'm just going to go ahead and add more, and that's it. It's super easy and simple, and this DIY is supposed to be fun. So yeah, how are you? Let me know down below. How is it going for you? Did you start already? Did you not? I started early, and I'm okay with that because I love Christmas. My kids love it too. Every time I make something, my kids get happy. They're like, okay, Mom, it's beautiful. So yeah, I'm just looking at my vase, making sure I have everything where I want it, moving stuff around if I have to. You know, just go for it, you guys. Like I always say, you can't mess up. It's your DIY. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this and I'm going to be putting it in the middle. So as you can see, it is a little tall, so I will be cutting it down. Not a lot, but I want the centerpiece to be big and whimsical and just a splash of Christmas everywhere. So I will be adding the little fillers straight to the stem. I'm going to be making like an arrangement, like a Christmas arrangement. You know how you make a floral arrangement? I'm going to be doing the same thing, but with Christmas decorations. So just the same, like I make floral arrangements, I'm going to make a Christmas arrangement. So don't be scared. Grab your centerpiece, and we're just going to start moving stuff around and placing it exactly where we want it. Moving everything around, open the whole stem. Make sure when you grab your stems that you open every piece up just so it shows nice and pretty. And grab everything, and we're going to be making it super tight, so don't even worry. I'm going to add my lollipops to it. Look at how adorable they are. I'm going to add my other one. I want one taller than the other just so it looks kind of like, you know, like all over the place. Exactly what I want. Once I have everything how I want it, I'm going to go ahead and grab the washi tape, and I'm going to tape everything together just so it will not move. It's that simple, you guys. Just add your pieces together like a puzzle, exactly where you want it. If you're not happy, go ahead and unwrap the whole thing and do it over again. This is your DIY, and there's no reason why you should be unhappy with it. And look at how adorable it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and play with this. I'm going to measure it. I'm going to cut it down. I'm going to move stuff. I'm going to, you know, just make sure I have it just how I like it. So yeah, I'll be doing that. And look at how cute it looks already. I'm going to go ahead and measure. Don't worry, you guys. This takes time, and it's going to go right inside the tube. So I'm going to be cutting this down. And Even if you cut it down, it's not a problem because you did add a skewer stick. So you're really cutting the skewer stick. So when you pull this apart, your lollipops will not be cut and you can actually hang them up on your tree. See, you got to think like that so you could reuse everything. Because you know these lollipops are so cute. I should have grabbed like at least 10 more just to put on my tree. I really regret it. I'm going to see if I could go stop by at Hobby Lobby and see if they have them. And hopefully they do, because I really would love to add these huge lollipops to my tree. I think that would be adorable. So here I am, just moving everything around like always, getting it just how I wanted. I wanted you to see almost everything just because this is how it goes. You don't like something, you move it around and you adjust it. You're not always going to get the centerpiece perfect the first time, and that's okay. You know, just keep practicing and keep moving and keep going. But make sure you have washi tape that matches everything. Just, you know, so you actually get everything just right. And there you go. I'm really happy with the way it looks now. So now it's time to grab your wire cutters and start cutting. Make sure you don't cut too much. Always cut, then measure, cut, then measure. Because once you cut it too short, you can't make it any longer. And there you go, you guys. Look at how adorable it came out. I'm super happy with this arrangement. I can't wait to put it up. So I thought it needed a little more. So I'm going to go ahead and add the ones I grabbed from the dollar store. The stem, I'm going to go ahead and add it. Just so you know it comes out just a little more and it's even. And look at how I'm pulling the stems apart. So here you are. I'm really happy I picked these up at the dollar store. I'm just going to go ahead and add them everywhere. They are adorable. So just go ahead and move everything around and just add everything wherever you want it. Don't worry about how it's going to look. It's going to come out super cute. And yeah, just, you know, move everything around until you have it how you want it. Now, don't worry about the centerpiece moving. It's not going to move once you add a little more of the mini ornaments. So don't even worry about that. Once you add them, everything's going to be put together and nothing's going to move out of place. And go ahead and add more washi tape if that's what you want. I'm going to go ahead and just add them to my centerpiece just randomly and tape them down just so they won't move. And then I'll be cutting the sticks the same height as the centerpiece. So yeah, just go ahead and move everything around and, you know, until you have it exactly how you like it. And yeah, it's going to come out really adorable, so don't even worry. The more you add, the better. That's how I always say. If you buy something for your DIY or centerpiece, use it all up. Don't save anything because most likely it'll just stay in your closet, so you might as well use it and make everything look beautiful. So yeah, we're almost done, you guys, and I'm really happy with this. It came out gorgeous. I'm probably going to go ahead to Hobby Lobby and pick up some more of those lollipops. And if you want to see how my tree comes out, because I usually don't show the tree, let me know. Comment down below if you would love to see how my tree comes out once I put it up. And yeah, I'll give you a mini video of all my Christmas around the house if you really want to see it. And go ahead and check me out on Instagram. I actually put pictures on Instagram way before I do my videos, just so you could go ahead and buy your supplies and have everything super ready. And look at how gorgeous it is. You guys, it's beautiful. It looks better in person, and I cannot wait to put it up and just have everybody look at my, you know, my little DIYs that I made. It is gorgeous. I am super happy with the centerpiece. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my mini balls. Go ahead and cover the whole top of the centerpiece with the balls. Don't get scared. Add as many as you need so nothing will show, especially the toilet paper tube. So go ahead and just add them. And your centerpiece should be beautiful and ready. And look at you guys. I'm going to give you a whole shot of the centerpiece at the end, of course, like always. But yeah, So the next step is to add a little bling. Now you can add it in silver or you can add it in red. And as you know, with all my videos, I picked it up in red. I picked it up from Amazon. I picked it up from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. So I have a ton. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little necklace to my centerpiece. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue and just glue it at the back. And look at how adorable it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the little neck piece. I actually used the whole piece. I went around, I want to say 3 times, and it came out beautiful. I didn't make it tight. I made it nice and loose so it would look so cute and classy. So there you go. I went around 4 times. So I thought it looks adorable just adding that little piece. Then all you have to do is grab a little bit of the hot glue, and there you go. Your arrangement is beautiful, it's done, and it's ready. And you guys, it came out super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed making this with me. I hope you make one of your own, and if you do, let me know. And yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue and it's done. And isn't that adorable, you guys? Now you can go ahead and use ribbon as well. A little piece of ribbon would actually look very cute there. If you want to go ahead and add ribbon, I think that would be very adorable. Or you can add nothing and just grab a couple more of your mini ornaments and just go ahead and fill it to the top. It's really up to you. I thought the neck piece was adorable, so that's exactly what I did, and I actually love it. It gives it that extra little bling bling that you know we all love. So yeah, so it's really up to you. Just be creative, make it however you want it, and at the end of the day, I'm sure it's gonna come out beautiful. But I just had to show you the centerpiece. I am in love with it, and it's gonna be either on my mantle or on my table. I have no idea yet, but I'll let you guys know. And until next time, just create your own, you guys. And here is the full shot. Look at how adorable it came out. Isn't that adorable? If I had one more lollipop, it would have been way better. But I am in love with it. And until next time, bye, you guys.